Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Today I'm coming on to do an unboxing of Pocket Layer Swap I'm part of here on YouTube. It was hosted by Cassie here on YouTube. I'll link her channel in the description box below. And this came from Hilda, who is Mistval here on YouTube and Instagram. So let's get this unboxed. And this is the name of the swap was Howling Extra AF. So you basically made a pocket letter and add some extras to it. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's try to open it up at least. This is very well packaged, Hilda. Thank you very much. Okay, let's start out. Looks like a card. Well, I'm just going to put this down and just show you stuff as I get it out. Because it's quite a big box. The front of the card says, Boo. Spooky wish just made just for you with lots of treats and good fun too. Let's see. It says, to Brian, hope you like the pocket letter. Enjoy all the goodies. It's all in good fun. And I am glad we got to know about each other. Your crafty friend, Hilda. Instagram, she is Mistval or Made by Misty. And YouTube, she is Mistval3138. So that's her channel link. Like I said, I'll link both down below and Cassie's as well. And I am still working on my swap. I hope to have it out by Thursday or Friday. I promise it'll be out sometime this week. And let's see here. There's some good amount of shred in here too. That's cool. I like the shred idea. I'm gonna have to reuse this tissue paper too. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, nice. I like this a lot. Got the skeleton hands here and here. Try and show all of it, but it's not quite possible to show it all on one screen. So there's we go. And there's the back. I really do like this a lot. This is really cool. So, that was the pocket layer itself. There's some goodies on the back side there. Like some pumpkins and some Project Life cards and stuff like that. Some foam stickers. Glittery too. Very blingy. And I really like this bow she used. This is really cool. I like this a lot. I still haven't figured out what I'm going to put on mine. But I'm going to have to start thinking about that. See what else we got in here. Ooh. Got some socks, it looks like, or gloves. Well, these are nice. Oh, I got some peanut butter cups too. You know, I'm a Reese's person. I love Reese's. Just about everything Reese's I love. And yes, these are socks. Thank you very much. I like these. I might start wearing them before Halloween, by the way. And here's the decorations for the things she put them in. There she goes. And we got some foam roses and Halloween colors. I will be using these probably very soon. See what else we got here. We got a very tall notepad with 100 pages. I like that. That's smart. Have one of those. An eyeball ping pong ball. And Reese's Sticks king size. I told Hilda, she asked me what kind of candy I like, and I told her I'm a Reese's man, so there you go. Some pumpkins, purple pumpkins. I don't know if she got this stuff last year or if it's already out at her Dollar Tree, but there is no such thing as Halloween out at my Dollar Tree right now. I'm going to have to make everything by hand. Ooh, Reese's Potato Chip Big Cup. I got to try that. Some Mamba Fruit Chews. Those look good. Never had those before, but they do look good. I don't know what to call this. It's like a fuzzy ball with a skeleton hand on it. Another eyeball ping pong ball. And here's a purple blingy bat. And looks like these are those fabric things. I forget what they're called, but Poochie makes them, I think. Poochie Tats here on YouTube. She makes these things, I believe. Who else makes them? Eileen Payne, I think, makes them too. You just basically scrunch up the fabric and run it through a sewing machine. It's kind of like a rosette of sorts, but it's flat, not round. I think that's what would be the name for it, is a flat, long rosette. I like these a lot. I never had one of these before. So thank you very much for that. And a couple packs of stickers. And last but not least, a pencil with a skeleton hand and fuzzy thing on it. This is pretty cool. Thank you very much, Hilda, for everything. I really appreciate it. And like I say, yours will be out by the end of this week, I promise. And I hope you'll enjoy it. Oh, this is not a pencil, actually. This is a pen. It's a pen with ribbon wrapped around it. That's cool. Thanks again, Hilda, for everything. And y'all, if you haven't done so yet, please do subscribe to Hilda's channel. I will in Instagram, and I will list all that below, as well as Cassie's channel. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye. See y'all real soon. Bye.